How to create a Google form on phone. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how you can easily create a Google form on your phone. So the first thing you want to do here is simply go ahead and open up your Chrome or any other web browser. Go to the search bar and simply search for Google Forms. Hit enter. Click on the first link that you see here. Now once you are logged in, you can just start asking your questions. So let's just do a quick simple question. Here you can add another type of question. So the first one is multiple choice. Instead of this, let's just do a short answer question. And then I'll just type in what's your name and then hit enter. Now you can add multiple questions as well. If you want to add another question, tap on the three dots. And then from here, you can just tap on the plus icon at the bottom. Select what type of question you want to ask. Let's do checkboxes and then do gender. On the checkboxes, tap the option 1. Let's add male, add another option, female, and then add other option as others. Prefer not to say. It's automatically suggested by Google Forms. You can also add other interesting question types like paragraph, checkboxes, drop downs, linear scale, rating, multiple choice grid, and more. And once you have selected all of your questions, you can just go ahead and tap on share up top and then tap on publish. Once you publish the form, you can tap on the copy link, shorten the URL, and then you can copy the responders link. Once it's copied, long press on it, copy, and then go wherever you want to share it. Let's just do WhatsApp for now. I'll just go here and then tap on share. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.